Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add product on a wish list on your Temu app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Temu app right over here. As soon as you've done that, let's go to the home section so I can guide you through the options. Now, first thing first, for not all of the people, the favorite icon is available. For example, if I want to purchase this particular item, I'm gonna tap on it and I'm gonna find this little heart icon over this 911, this number option, or this share icon and the search icon on top. I should be able to see this little heart icon, which is the icon for saving it to my favorite, the product, and going to the wish list section. Now it's not available for some users and in some region and countries. Example is me. For my region and country, it is not available over here, so I cannot access the option. But if you have that option, you're gonna tap on it, and that's how you will be able to add this particular product to your wish list or your cart. And then from that favorite list, you can choose to simply add that particular item to your desired list from your favorite section. You can do that to any other product likewise as well. You can simply tap on it and you should be able to find this little heart icon over here in your post somewhere, or you can sometimes also find it listing below. If you're using your laptop, you will find there as well. You can simply tap on it and your items will be added. That's how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.